Hello my wonderful viewers out there. You're once again welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony. And in this video we'll be looking at time part 2. Remember, you have been following my video. Last time I was here I was talking about time, and I introduced when the day is said to be complete, like how is the day said to be 24 hours in a day. But today we're going to take a different dimension, deeper, how a child can actually tell time when it's that time. Okay, let's take for example when we have 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Let's quickly draw the time. This is my circle. Now we have to perfectly draw time. Start from here. This is 12. Then separate it into 2 and write your 6 here. By your right hand side you write 3. By your left hand side you write 9. Now locate the middle. Now you quickly write 1, 2. Here will be 4, 5. Here will be 7, 8. Here will be 10, 11. Now when is time said to be 7 o'clock? I want to give a fundamental rule, or the basic for you to tell, or when a child is to tell when it's 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, when it's said o'clock. Okay, we have 7 o'clock. Remember, for you to tell when it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the long hand, that's the minute hand, must be pointing at 12. Must be pointing at 12. Now, when the long hand is pointing at 12, wherever the short hand is pointing at, it is 13 o'clock. Meaning that if the short hand is pointing at 7, the short hand, that is called the hour hand, is pointing at 7, it is called 7 o'clock. The rule says whenever the long hand is pointing, that's the minute hand, is pointing at 12, and the hour hand is pointing at 7, it is 7 o'clock. What if when it's pointing at 6, that's the hour hand, when it's pointing at 6, so what do we say it is time? When it is pointing at 6 here, let's say the hour hand have shifted, or it's pointing at 6 here, it is still 6 o'clock. What if when it's pointing at 3, it is 3 o'clock? When it's pointing at 8, it is 8 o'clock. The long hand must be pointing at 12. Then the short hand pointing at any number. Then before you say it is 13 o'clock. Thank you very much, and God bless you. And don't forget to solve number 3, which says 5 o'clock. Draw it and send in your answer. Let me see what you get in our comment section. Thank you very much, and remain blessed. Bye-bye.